Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about the Beretta 92 Elite LTT Compact from Langdon Tactical. I purchased this pistol about 2 years ago and at the time was trying to standardize on the 92 platform for a variety of reasons. I had a Tennessee-made 92X Compact that was kind of serving as my main gun. I had heard a lot about Langdon Tactical as kind of the pinnacle of Beretta 92s, and I wanted to check one out and work it into my setup. The 92 Compact is pretty much just a standard Beretta 92 with a shorter slide, a shorter barrel, and a shorter frame. Some of the unique features on this LTT Compact include a Vertex slide, an M9A1 frame, front cocking serrations. It's a G model, which means it's decock only, no safety. It has a dovetailed fiber optic front sight, a square notch serrated rear sight, a stainless 4 1/4 inch barrel with a target crown, a solid steel guide rod, and a beveled rear slide. I ordered this one directly from Langdon, so it does come with the trigger job, has a 13-pound chrome silicone hammer spring. Out of the box, I was really impressed with this 92 Compact. Excellent fit and finish. It's not a cheap gun, but I still feel like you're getting a really tremendous value for the amount of workmanship that went into making this thing what it is. The Langdon trigger job is absolutely deserving of the hype. The double action pull is clean and smooth and pretty easy to manipulate. It's everything a double action pull should be. And that goes for the single action pull too. It's light and crisp and really easy to hit things with. I don't really know what else you'd be looking for in a single action trigger. The sights are simple and effective. They're easy to pick up, and they're designed in such a way that I find it pretty easy to be precise with. I put about 1,200 rounds of various ammo, ball and jacketed hollow points through this 92, and I had no issues on the reliability front at all. I've just come to expect that from the Beretta 92. It's an extremely reliable and extremely robust platform that just works. I carry this gun for quite a while, but eventually decided I wanted to look for a lighter and smaller carry option to work with. No knock on the gun at all. My life circumstances just happened to change during the period I was shooting and carrying the 92s a lot. I would have zero hesitation to put the LTT 92 in any sort of defensive role, and we'll probably come back to it at some point. It's just a no-nonsense handgun that has really been optimized for performance, and optimized to a level that outmatches my abilities as a shooter. It's just a really fun gun to shoot and own, especially with the Langdon work. It's kind of like a pride of ownership thing. But it's really tough to go back to shooting a mediocre double action trigger after you spend some time with a Langdon trigger like the one on this 92 Compact. I actually ended up going and getting the Langdon trigger job in a bag for my 92X Compact just because I like the trigger in this one so much. And it didn't get you all the way there like a tuned Langdon Beretta like this one, but it got you most of the way there, and I'm a big fan of their work. All in all, if you're interested in the Beretta 92, you really owe it to yourself to buy a Langdon gun and shoot the crap out of it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.